If you're on the lookout for a kitchen appliance that combines versatility, power, and convenience, this Ninja blender and food processor combo SS401 is a standout option. This multifunctional unit is designed to streamline your food preparation tasks with its impressive range of features. From smoothies and shakes to food processing and more, SS401 promises to be a versatile addition to any kitchen. In this detailed review, we'll explore its capabilities, advantages, and how it stacks up against other kitchen appliances. At the heart of the Ninja SS401 is its 1600 peak watt power-dense motor. This motor is not just powerful, it's built to handle even the most demanding blending and processing tasks without stalling. Whether you're crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, or making nut butters, this blender's smartTORQUE technology ensures it keeps running smoothly. It's designed to handle tough ingredients and maintain consistent performance, making it ideal for those who need a reliable appliance that won't falter under pressure. The power of the SS401 extends to its hybrid edge blade assembly, which delivers superior breakdown capability. This blade system excels at handling frozen fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, ensuring a smooth and consistent blend every time. The combination of power and precision means you get better texture and flavor in your smoothies, shakes, and other recipes. The Ninja SS401 isn't just a blender. It's a multifunctional food processor that offers a wide range of capabilities. With 7 preset Auto IQ programs, you can easily switch between different functions such as smoothies, extractions, bowls, breads, chopping, and food processing. These programs are designed to take the guesswork out of blending and processing, providing optimal results with just the press of a button. Smoothies, perfect for creating delicious and nutritious smoothies quickly. Extractions, ideal for extracting vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables for perfectly smooth drinkable. Bowls, the XL Smoothie Bowl Maker allows for thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and more with less liquid. Spreads, great for making homemade spreads and dips. Chopping and food processing, equipped with various discs and blades for precise chopping, slicing, shredding, and grating. The flexibility of the SS401 makes it an excellent choice for those who enjoy experimenting with different recipes and need an appliance that can handle a variety of tasks. One of the standout features of the SS401 is its XL Smoothie Bowl Maker. This component is specifically designed for making thick smoothie bowls, which are ideal for breakfast or as a nutritious snack. The built-in tamper helps power through frozen ingredients with less liquid, ensuring a smooth and creamy texture. It's also perfect for making nut butters, giving you the ability to create homemade spreads that are both delicious and nutritious. The 18 ounces XL Smoothie Bowl Maker comes with a storage lid, making it easy to prepare your bowl in advance and store it for later. This feature is particularly useful for busy individuals who want to have healthy options ready to go. The 24 ounces nutrient extraction cup is another valuable component of the SS401. This cup is designed to deliver better breakdown of ingredients, ensuring that you get the most out of your fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients. Whether you're making a nutrient-packed smoothie or a refreshing juice, the extraction cup helps ensure that you're getting all the vitamins and nutrients your body needs. The SS401 shines in the food processing department with its enhanced processing lid and select cut processing discs. The feed chute lid, with 2-part pusher, allows for precise shredding, slicing, and grating. This feature is perfect for preparing ingredients for a wide range of recipes, from salads and soups to baked goods and more. The reversible slicing, shredding disc and grating disc provide additional versatility, allowing you to tackle a variety of food preparation tasks with ease. Whether you need to shred cheese, slice vegetables, or grate fruits, these discs make it simple and efficient. The Ninja SS401 is designed with user convenience in mind. The intuitive controls and preset programs make it easy to operate, even for those who are new to blending and food processing. Simply select the desired program and let the SS401 do the rest. When it comes to cleaning, the SS401 is equally convenient. All the containers, lids, discs, and blade assemblies are dishwasher safe, making post-use cleanup a breeze. The design also includes a no-slip base, ensuring stability during operation and preventing spills and messes. These components ensure that you have everything you need to tackle a wide range of recipes and food preparation tasks. The Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo SS401 is a versatile and powerful appliance that offers a range of functions to suit various culinary needs. With its 1600-watt motor, multiple programs, and advanced features, it stands out as a top choice for those seeking a high-performance kitchen tool. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a health-conscious individual, or someone who loves experimenting with recipes, the SS401 provides the power and versatility you need. Its combination of blending and food processing capabilities, along with its user-friendly design, makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're ready to elevate your kitchen game and enjoy the benefits of a multifunctional blender and food processor, the Ninja SS401 is definitely worth considering. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make the Ninja SS401 your next kitchen upgrade. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.